Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue. Many scooter owners face a scooter that just feels weak. You know the feeling? You twist the throttle, expecting that zippy acceleration. But instead, you get a sluggish response. It's like your scooter is gasping for air, struggling to get going. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry or just enjoying a ride. Now, I've been experiencing this with my scooter lately. It just doesn't have the pep it used to. It's like something's choking it. That's right, choking. And you know what that usually means, right? Time to dive in and see what's going on. Let's start with the basics. The engine needs air, fuel, and spark to run. If any of those are compromised, your scooter's performance will suffer, leading to a reduction in power, poor fuel economy, and potentially even engine damage over time. Given the symptoms, I'm leaning towards an air supply issue. So, where do we start? The air filter. It's the first line of defense against dust, dirt, and debris. Over time, these contaminants accumulate, restricting airflow and starving the engine of the oxygen it needs to function correctly. This can lead to that feeling of sluggishness we talked about earlier. Let's take a look. Alright, here we go. We're going to open up the air filter box. This is usually pretty straightforward, often just a few screws or clips. Be careful not to lose any of the hardware. The specific location and method of accessing the air filter box will vary depending on your scooter model. So consult your owner's manual if you're unsure. Okay, here it is. And now, for the moment of truth. Oh, my goodness, would you look at that? This is not good. This air filter is completely, utterly, and irrevocably black. It's clogged with dirt, leaves, and I think that's a bug. This filter has done its job, protecting the engine from all sorts of nasty stuff that could cause serious damage. But now, it's definitely restricting airflow. The tightly packed debris creates a barrier, making it difficult for the engine to breathe properly. No wonder my scooter feels like it's choking. It literally is. The air can't get through. It's a testament to the filter's effectiveness. But it also means it's time for a change. Let's get a better look at this. You can see the dark color, the embedded debris, and how dense it is. You can almost feel the restricted airflow just by looking at it. Now, for a quick comparison. I have a brand new air filter here. Notice the difference? The clean, fresh material allows air to flow freely, ensuring optimal engine performance. This is what it's supposed to look like. A clean filter makes a huge difference. Replacing your air filter is a simple, inexpensive maintenance task that can make a world of difference in your scooter's performance, fuel efficiency, and overall engine health. Depending on your riding conditions and scooter model, you may need to replace your air filter more or less frequently. So, if your scooter is feeling weak, sluggish, or like it's choking, check your air filter. It might just be the solution you're looking for, saving you money on potential repairs in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.